let's go back to your trade while you were staring at Google. What, and only you, what's the first thing you do on your chart for your trade of the day? What's the first thing I train you to do?
First things I do is I do previous day high and low and overnight high and low.
Okay. So it's
That's the first
going to
things
be
I do.
pre-market high,
Hmm.
pre-market low. Let's mark it,
Hmm.
everybody in the room. Okay. Everybody in the room. We're going to do this all on Google. So pre-market high was right here. Previous day high up here. So you had no
Hmm.
worries.
Right.
Previous day low was right here. Pre-market low. Let me look at 4 o'clock, which was right technically here.
Hmm.
Those are our main levels for the day. Everybody see
Right.
those? Those are our main. So that's where we start, right? We don't want to do anything else, but that's where we start. Now,
That's right.
if I'm looking at these areas, I can tell you right here, no, the best trade of the day, everybody in the room, the best trade of the day is a double top, typically,
Right.
right?
Right.
And it's always a double top on the either the pre-market high or even better yet is previous day high. So right here is actually the trade. This is your double top, broke through, couldn't hold, even gave you giant red confirmation, lights out, rest of the day. That's it.
That was pretty fast. I couldn't get in that.
I got you.
Uh,
All right.
yeah.
I got you. But that's the best, right? So if I'm like, hey,
Right.
what's
That's the
the
best one.
Yep, perfect. So if that's the case, a couple things I can do, obviously, as a scalper. So I'm going to look at major key areas, which were right here.
Hmm.
This was the biggest key area of the day because this is the data it already gave me. That's
Right.
here, here, all of this, and here. So I watch this exact spot. I will trade this spot
That
right
actually was
there.
significant yesterday too.
Yeah, yeah. So that would be
Yeah.
probably a gold level to me, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So if that's the case and I'm scalping it and look at it, right? Came through, came back up, came back up. So what is this telling me, everybody, when it's coming up to it and it keeps stopping? What is this?
That's resistance.
So what do we do on resistance?
Puts.
There you go. Rest of the day, that's it. There's your trade. There's all
There's
your
the
money.
trade.
There's your $10.
That's right. Yep.
That's so
Mm.
you over here, I have no idea why, right? This is so far and beyond where you should be starting the setup. You see what I mean?
Right.
It's so far. Just like in here, what was now we had this 117.63 charted out, which was right here. This was low
Hmm.
a day. Look at what it's doing on low a day, right? Could not break through VWAP. Busted back through low a day, boom, short.
Right.
Now you're on support. Now it's going to want to bounce here. Everybody in the room, I've been doing this all day with SPY though, right?
100%.
Yes.
And Palm, you even made a joke about it. There's your $10 right there off your bounce. Now, if you would have been listening to me on SPY, I showed you all day to do the same thing, right, partner?
That's correct.
Yep. So right there, there's your $10. You made your money. There's your trade. So if you're hesitating, it's typically because you don't know exactly where to do it, right?
Ah, right.
Or you have the fear of losing the money. So that means we don't want to use real money because that fear is controlling it. So in your journal, it's going to show you, am I scared because I'm afraid to lose money? Maybe you've had tons of losses or you right haven't gone green yet, which means don't you're still not ready for real money. Or is it because I don't trust where my setups are? And that would indicate you better still be listening to coach 24/7. Make sense?
Yes.
And there you go. And thank you, by the way. I'm not picking on you. I
Oh
need
no, I
everybody.
get it.
Yeah, yeah. I need everybody on the same page. If I'm spending the time, literally 2 hours dedicated to one stock, and you guys are watching me, I'm trading it right next to you. It would be a great opportunity to right? How does the head coach do it? Look at this bounce off of SPY at 619.64, which to the penny we had marked earlier, just like your Google setup, right, Mena? Same thing, boom, bottom, bounce.
That's correct.
Got it and bought it, coach.
There you go.
I rode that all the way from resistance to the top.
Oh, good. Yeah, did it hit up? It did. It did the exact same thing again. Look.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. It's glorious.
That was nice.
Yeah,
I
that
ain't
is
gonna lie.